Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter role and power. If it's a transmitter, you send audio. If it's a receiver, you accept it. Once done, charge or connect to 5V USB and plug the correct 3.5 or optical cable into your source or playback device. Make sure the adapter switch is set to the right mode, TX for sending, RX for receiving, and press the pairing button until the LED shows pairing. Now you're ready to pair with your target device. You now pair and configure the source. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, laptop, or smart TV and scan. Choose the adapter by the model name visible in the LED indicator. Once connected, select the adapter as the audio output in your device's sound settings, and, when available, force a low-latency codec like aptX to reduce delay. Make sure to set the source volume to about 70% and the adapter to a mid-level so you avoid clipping or hiss. Check cables and formats if no audio plays. You finish by verifying and optimizing the link. Play a representative track and listen for latency, dropouts, or channel imbalance. If video lip sync is off, switch to a lower latency codec or use the adapter's optical connection. Make sure the adapter sits 1 to 3 meters from the source and away from Wi-Fi routers or microwaves to reduce interference. If audio fails, reset the adapter, repair, and inspect the battery, cables, and firmware. That reset step fixes most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.